In this video, we will look at some of the best hydraulic crimping tools on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Bies YQK-300 Hydraulic Crimping Tool. The Bies YQK-300 Hydraulic Crimping Tool, also known as the hydraulic compression plier or hydraulic crimping plier, is a versatile and essential tool for various commercial manufacturing needs. With a range of 10 to 300 square millimeters, this hydraulic plier is designed to handle a wide variety of crimping tasks with precision and ease. Versatile range. The YQK-300 can handle cable sizes from 10 square millimeters to 300 square millimeters, making it suitable for a wide range of applications in commercial manufacturing. High-quality construction. Manufactured in mainland China, this tool meets CE certification standards, ensuring it meets high safety and quality benchmarks. User-friendly design. The ergonomic design of the Bies YQK-300 ensures ease of use, reducing user fatigue during extended periods of crimping. Reliable performance. Bies, a reputable brand in the manufacturing sector, offers a reliable and durable crimping tool that can withstand rigorous use in demanding environments. Number 4. Russ Warehouse Hydraulic Crimping Tool. The Russ Warehouse Hydraulic Crimping Tool, available under the model numbers YQK70, APR70, and FYQ70, is a highly efficient tool designed for commercial manufacturing needs. With a crimping range of 4 to 70 square millimeters, this hydraulic crimping plier is perfect for a variety of applications, ensuring precise and reliable performance. Wide crimping range, capable of handling cable sizes from 4 square millimeters to 70 square millimeters. This tool is versatile enough to cover a broad spectrum of crimping tasks in commercial settings. Customizable options. The Russ Warehouse Hydraulic Crimping Tool offers customizable features to meet specific requirements, enhancing its adaptability for different applications. Quality assurance. Manufactured in mainland China, the tool adheres to high standards of quality and durability, ensuring long-lasting performance even under demanding conditions. Efficient design. The ergonomic design of this hydraulic press tool minimizes user fatigue, making it suitable for prolonged use in commercial manufacturing environments. Ideal for professionals in the commercial manufacturing sector, the Russ Warehouse Hydraulic Crimping Tool excels in electrical installations, cable assembly, and various industrial applications. Its wide range and customizable features make it a valuable asset for achieving precise and efficient crimping results. Number 3. Lion Rage HX50B Crimping Pliers. The Lion Rage HX50B crimping pliers are a versatile and efficient tool designed for crimping tube terminals and battery cable lugs. With a crimping range of 6 to 50 square millimeters, this hex crimp tool is perfect for both DIY electrical projects and professional applications. Wide crimping range. The HX50B can handle a range of 6 to 50 square millimeters, making it suitable for a variety of crimping tasks involving tube terminals and battery cable lugs. Durable construction. Made from high-quality carbon steel, these pliers offer durability and longevity, ensuring reliable performance over time. Ergonomic design. The straight handle style provides a comfortable grip, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Compact and portable. As a mini plier, the HX50B is easy to carry and store, making it ideal for both home and professional use. Customizable. The tool can be customized to meet specific needs, enhancing its versatility and usability. Number 2. XMSJHX50B Portable Cable Crimping Tool. The XMSJHX50B Portable Cable Crimping Tool is a highly versatile and professional tool designed for crimping terminals and handling various other tasks. With options available for 1, 60, or 100 pieces, this tool caters to a range of needs, from individual DIY projects to extensive professional use. Multifunctional design. The HX50B is not just a crimping tool. Its multifunctional design allows it to be used for various tasks, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. Number 1. Tonglio HX50B Crimping Plier. The Tonglio HX50B Crimping Plier is a versatile and efficient tool designed to handle a wide range of crimping tasks, from auto copper ring terminals to battery terminals and bare cables. With its capability to crimp cables ranging from 6 mm to 50 mm AWG 1 to 10, this tool is suitable for various electrical applications. Versatile crimping range. The HX50B crimping plier can handle a wide range of cable sizes, from 6mm to 50mm AWG 1 to 10, making it suitable for various electrical applications. High-quality material, made from durable carbon steel. This tool ensures reliability and durability even under heavy use. Multifunctional design. With its multifunctional features, this tool can tackle different types of crimping tasks, including auto copper ring terminals, battery terminals, and bare cables. Ergonomic handle. The straight handle design provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged use and ensuring precise crimps. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.